Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we would need to enable a setting from your BIOS, and then after that, we need to enable a thing or a feature from your Windows. Okay, so first up, I would like you to go to your search bar and type in system information. Click on it. Mine says a hypervisor has been detected. Well, that's already enabled in my BIOS. Now, if you don't know how to do so, or if you don't know how to enable it, look for baseboard manufacturer right here and baseboard product. Now, what you're going to do next is just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, okay, and type down enable Hyper-V for your baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product, which is basically your motherboard. Okay, type it down ASRock B550M Pro 4. Or yours might be different right here. Just type it down, hit on enter, and you'll be able to see a set of steps right here or videos. Okay, just go ahead and click on it, follow simple prompts or follow the steps. And once that's enabled on your BIOS, go ahead and go back to your computer, boot up again. And in here, go to search bar and type down turn Windows features on or off. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on Hyper-V right here. Click on this checkbox and just hit on OK. Wait for it to load. And once that's done, go ahead and click on restart now. And after that, go ahead and check Valorant and see if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to your search bar, type down device security, like so, click on it. Now in here, go ahead and go to core isolation, click on core isolation details. And in here, if yours is turned on, go ahead and play around with this slider, turn it off, restart your computer, and run Valorant. If that doesn't help, okay, make sure that you turn it back on or off, okay, depending on your default setting right here. So if that still will work, well, don't worry. We have another step right here that will most likely help you fix the issue, okay? So go ahead and go to your search bar and type down GP edit, okay? Or you could just go ahead and type down edit group policy, okay? Once it shows up, go ahead and click on it. Now this window will open right here. So what we're going to do is just go ahead over to the left panel and click on administrative templates, like so. Or click on the drop down right here. Now go ahead and double click on system, okay? Now in here, you will be able to see device guard, okay? This one. So double click on device guard. And as you can see here, it says turn on virtualization based security. So just double click on it, okay? And this window will pop up. So what you're going to do is just basically click on enabled. And then once that's done, hit on apply, hit on OK. Now go ahead and restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you enable HVCI for Valorant. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.